Hey content creators! Ready to unlock the power of AI for video creation? Let's explore InVideo AI and how it can revolutionize your workflow. First question, what is the primary function of InVideo AI? Is it Option 1, create videos? Option 2, generate images? Option 3, write scripts? Or Option 4, edit videos? The correct answer is create videos. InVideo AI uses artificial intelligence to generate complete videos from text prompts, streamlining the video creation process. Did you know it can create videos in multiple languages? Next up, what type of content is InVideo AI best suited for? Is it Option 1, social media content? Option 2, feature films? Option 3, documentaries? Or Option 4, animated films? The correct answer is social media content. InVideo AI excels at creating engaging short-form videos perfect for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. It's designed for speed and impact. Fun fact, short-form videos have a higher engagement rate than longer videos. Final question, can you customize the videos generated by InVideo AI? Is it Option 1, full customization? Option 2, basic customization? Option 3, no customization? Or Option 4, limited customization? The correct answer is full customization. InVideo AI allows you to fine-tune every aspect of your video, from the script and visuals to the music and voiceover. You have complete creative control. Did you know you can even add your own branding? Thanks for taking our InVideo AI trivia. How did you score? Share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content creation tips and tricks.